Alrighty, guys, coming up next. Hey, right there, man. What is 12? Oh, he ain't even do it, man. Yeah, this one of them people that are wrecked right here. You got the traction control off? Yeah, is it off? Oh, he said it's off. You need to hold that motherfucker. Hey man, this your first time? Hey, what you trying to do? Oh, he's scaring me. Hey, yeah, boy, he don't know where to go. You got a long way, man. You about 3 miles away, man. Oh shit again. Hey, right there. Hey, right there. Don't go nowhere. You better not let off that brake. You better not. Hey, wait. Hold on. Hey, get ready. He finna get you. Go. No. Shit. No. Ah, don't wreck it. Man, I'll tell you. Look out. Look out. Oh, it's over with. I told you. God. Damn, I told you. I told him. I told him. God! Hey! What they trying to do? Hey! You know they trying to copyright me, but make sure y'all like, share, subscribe, tell your friends, keep sharing it, everything. Call your uncle now, tell your auntie, I don't care if she don't like racing, tell her anyway. She might tell her friends. So you, hey, look out.